And I'm going back to Subway Surfers. And I'm gonna go to my high school again. Remember, I stopped off at the jetpack. If I can do this. I wish this was like we got top runs. I wish we could run with these people. I would be the top runner. I would be the first one to board.
That is outrageous. It is fucking overwhelming.
You got 3 mystery boxes, Kyron?
Cause I'm a beast.
At first you had got.
Cause I'm a beast.
You're
like
supposed to
that.
have 2 mystery boxes, but you passed that thing.
Cause I'm a beast. Like that.
Hey girl, I had to shut up news shit.
Now you can shut up about it.
What a Channel 12 News that put on there. I'll watch the news tonight at 10 though. What they put on there about in public intoxication or whatever. Somebody had put on there, I shared it though, and I just put, dang man, rest well, Kim folks. You know, Jacoby Flowers or whatever, and that shit crazy as fuck. Cause this is a whole year ago from when he was riding with my cousin. When my cousin got killed, and he was saying that the cousin side of the family on his mama's side was saying that he better not sue the insurance or whatever because they was gonna do something to him or try to hurt him or something. So he was scared to sue the insurance, but he had got fucked off in the wreck too. But my cousin had died though in the wreck. And he was with him and they was in Houston. He ran into the tree, but my cousin died. Kobe didn't die, but he got fucked off.
How did I just not die?
He had hurt something.
Now that was a way to die.
I was like, and I know that boy not faking about hurting the motherfucking thing. I don't give a fuck how he is or what the fuck he going through. He is not lying about hurting. Y'all do not know his condition.
Somebody gonna
I love this game.
I love it more than
and I'll be coming back with more games on YouTube. All kinds of
Man,
games.
them police killed that boy and I don't give a fuck.
All kinds. I got all different kinds of games.
He knocking the place little. That
I might play.
Romex I mean, he knocking
like,
the
how old
place.
Kobe? I said, I'm 39. Kobe should be 38 because I'm going to be 40 next month.
Yeah, we're going to the store. Going to the store. What? Shut up, my angel. Hey, what we getting? Nothing.
And don't raise my window down or open the door for her at all. You ain't got to duck. Do what the fuck I said. I tell her my goddamn self, don't roll the motherfucking window down, and I mean it. And when I get out, lock this door, because I come out this motherfucking store and Carolyn open the door to my truck, I'm going to beat the fuck out of her. And I'm so serious.
Lock the door tomorrow.
I love this, I love this, I love this. And I wish I could sing, but I don't got the much. I don't got the much rhymes. Well, I do got the rhymes, but I don't got the good ones. Well, I got the good ones, but I just don't got enough for it.
Sit back,
Mystery Monday.
She said, Kylie said, Kylie minute that she said, Cassidy is by our call. Cassidy over there. Cassidy.
Cassidy.
That's what her name is, Cassidy.
Bing. Flip scores. Flip scores. Flip scores.
Bob,
Flip scores.
I bet when I get a boyfriend, he gonna have a phone.
Let's pretend I didn't die there.
Why you got your shirt off, your mom? Come on, do not. If he have a phone, he gonna let me play on it. Yeah. It's gonna be funny. Woo! Do it. Mine, just say that again.
Bling blow. I guess I forgot to double jump there. Pretty much, y'all stay tuned because I got Talking Tom. I'm gonna show you how he likes it.
You went in.
Ooh, look at that. Fly, fly.
Your wallet's not right there. Your wallet's not right there. The wallet. Callie, that feels so good.
That look is so cool.
She's sitting on you. Who's sitting on my foot? MJ, since you crying. Mama not looking here. Still, she right there. She can still her.
Carolyn's gonna come here.
Hey, Daddy.
You're talking too much. Talking too much, talking too much, talking too much.
She said hi to me.
Open the door.
Hey, Daddy.
No, girl, I ain't got nothing, Kathy. Nothing. I ain't got nothing, Kathy. If I had it, I'd give it to you, but I don't. Sit your ass down.
She don't got enough for nothing.
Ooh, that's wearing me out. She better sit her motherfucking ass down. You can have your girl, cause she bad as fuck.
There goes my key.
Yeah, you. You can go with Alvin, Tootsie. Yes, you can.
Oh.
Her bad ass back here, getting on my everlasting nerves.
I want to go over here.
And they just keep getting
I want to stay over here.
If you can't find something out, let me know. Because I got a friend that's a cop too. I'ma ask him too.
Susie, can I stay over here?
You knew it.
All right.
Susie, can I stay over here?
Hello.
I was just faking there.
My daddy got Alvin and
Hands off.
He got a little.
Yeah, he probably can. He said he needs work to the jailhouse, so shit. But my friend,
Who did that team over to go?
That one
he
gonna
work
say
at,
double
I
up.
mean, he a cop. He work at the jailhouse. No, he work on the street.
The next one gonna say double up.
And
I'm pretty sure he knows something
The
too.
bag on.
Oh, yeah. Let's watch the video.